The reason you can't stay disciplined, my friend, isn't because you're not disciplined. It isn't because you're not motivated. It all comes down to this reason. You have not put the right systems in place. If you're David Goggins, click off this video right now. If you truly think you have the mentality like David Goggins, click off this video. Simply go, do it. You don't even need this video, you don't. If you're constantly going from unmotivated to motivated to unmotivated to motivated and you're getting absolutely nowhere, this is the video for you. What I'm gonna share with you is basic advice. It is basic, it is simple. However, I'm going to explain it in the best way possible because you probably already know what I'm gonna say. But the reason you haven't been able to successfully implement it yet is because no one's ever explained it to you in the proper way. First things first, I want you to identify the main goal of yours. The main goal. Why do you want to stay disciplined? Why do you want to stay consistent? That is the most important thing. If you don't have your why, your purpose down pat, you're not gonna get far. If you don't have that, click on this video right now and go and do that. Yeah, then come back and then watch the rest. Now, this is where we get into like the saucy kind of stuff. Yeah, you've got your why, now what do you do? You've been manipulated. And this is a good thing. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. For the people who can't stay disciplined, it's probably not the best mindset. To eliminate everything bad from your life and replace it with everything that is good, that is productive, that further enhances your future. That hasn't worked for you, has it? So, what do we do instead? We pair the quote unquote bad thing that may be scrolling on social media, playing video games, the things that you want to do and you have no problem doing, right? With the things that you know you should be doing. For example, exercising, working on that business of yours after school, after work, but you're too tired, you don't have any motivation to do it, talking to new people, whatever it is, right? Whatever your goal is. Now, how do we pair them together? Use this organ right here. Your brain is the most complex thing on this earth. Use your creativity to find a way to pair your quote unquote bad thing with your good thing. I'll give you an example. If you want to build muscle, exercise while you play video games. When you die on Fortnite, do 30 push-ups. Start small. And yeah, that won't make you the bodybuilder you want to be if that's your goal. However, it's getting you started in the right direction. So maybe a month down the line, then you've built the mentality so you can go to the gym every single day because your brain is gonna get used to working out while playing Fortnite. So it wants that next challenge and it's gonna be so much easier to get to that level. Don't try and go from 0 to 1,000. Start small, pair your bad habit with your good habit for a certain period of time until that becomes normal to you, until you can do that each and every single day without requiring discipline, and then take it up another notch. You will rewire your mind with this, and that's where you can take it that next step further. With that said, go and check out the free presentation I have for you down below. It's an 11-minute video that will share with you how you can break your bad habits for good and replace them with better ones that will actually help you start to live your dream life. Love you, bro. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.